for today is about the rectangular coordinate system. In this lesson, you will learn to use the Cartesian plane to locate points and give their coordinates. So first, let's define what is Cartesian plane. It was named after the famous mathematician René Descartes from 1596 to 1650. It is formed by two perpendicular number lines, and it gives the position or location of a point in two-dimensional space. Here's an example of a Cartesian plane. The vertical number line is the y-axis, and the horizontal number line is the x-axis. These two number lines intersect at the point 0 and 0, and we call it the origin. Each point in the Cartesian plane is associated with an ordered pair, which is x and y, where x corresponds to the horizontal position and y corresponds to the vertical position. The ordered pair is also called the coordinates of a point. Cartesian plane is divided in four regions. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we call it quadrants. Now let's try this example. Dolphins can be found in many areas of the Philippine Sea. Marine scientists sometimes use grids to locate the dolphins. Below is a sample Cartesian plane where the location of dolphins are marked. Identify the coordinates of each point where the dolphins can be spotted. Tell in which quadrant each point can be found. Now, using the graph, let's identify the coordinates of each point where the dolphins can be found and which quadrants each point can be found. So for the solution, we have A, or point A, is located at 3, 1, which is quadrant 1, while point B is located at 5, negative 2, which is in the quadrant 4. The next point, point C, is located at negative 4 and negative 5, which is quadrant 3. And for the point D, it's located in negative 1 and positive 6, which is in the quadrant 2. And last point, or last dolphin, is located at 2 and 5, which is quadrant 1. But how about if the points are given and we need to plot it in the Cartesian plane? Now let's try this another example. Let's plot each point being described, then label the coordinates. Example number 1, point A is 2 units on the right of the y-axis and 4 units above the x-axis. Next, point B is 3 units on the left of the y-axis and 3 units below the x-axis. Point C is 4 units below the x-axis and lies on the y-axis. Point D is 3 units on the left of the y-axis and 1 unit above the x-axis. Point E is 5 units on the right of the y-axis and 3 units below the x-axis. All we need to do is to identify what is x and what is y. Then put a mark, a dot, in the Cartesian plane where the points are located. So that's our topic all about. I hope you learned a lot today, and I am praying that you're all in a good health. Thank you and see you next video.